Demonstrate the functional features of Kapasamy Associates Galaxy Pro Orbit Phaco emulsifier. One of the main features, that is special feature of this machine is, along with the transverse oscillation, you will have the orbital oscillation as well as world's lightest handpiece, just weigh 36 grams. Phaco handpiece. This is the main screen, main menu. Here you will have surgeons' names. Here you can have 10 surgeons' names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to go further, you can have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 surgeons' names are available. Whenever you want to program any surgeon name, just select the surgeon name here and press enter. And then if you want to edit the name, just press here. He will have a keypad. So you can enter the doctor name and then you can see it here. Once you have done made the changes, press always save so that the change will be affected. If it doesn't press the save button, the changes won't be made permanently. This is the vacuum. Here in this Galaxy Pro Orbit machine, you will have the maximum vacuum of 650 mm of mercury. So you will have the maximum vacuum of 650 mm of mercury. And then next one is the flow rate. Here the maximum flow rate is 50 cc per minute. And then you are having the ultrasound energy, which can be varied up to 100%. So here you can make the setting for your vacuum, aspiration flow as well as ultrasonic energy. Similarly, you can have the program for US2 and US3. Here you will have the ultrasound modes. By pressing the arrow key here, you can change the ultrasound modes. Pulse. Pulse can be varied from 1 to 10, 11, 12, up to 50 pulses you can have it. These are the conventional pulses. Here the on time and off time are equal. Then you will have the micro pulse. The micro pulse can be varied from 5 to 50. Here the on time you can vary it from 1 milliseconds to 10 milliseconds. And then you can have the burst. In the burst mode, you will have the single burst of 480 milliseconds. And then you can have the M burst mode. Here initially 480 milliseconds of burst followed by the pulse and then followed by the micro pulse. This is occlusion micro pulse. Here before occlusion you will have the conventional pulse and after occlusion you will have the micro pulse. This is occlusion pulse. Here before occlusion you will have the continuous energy. After occlusion you will have the pulse energy. This is the conventional continuous, that is the linear energy. Here you can have the reset settings. This one is handpiece tube. When you change the handpiece tip, if you don't want to prime entirely and only tuning, you can use this button so that only tuning will be done. And then US on or US off key. If you don't want any ultrasound energy accidentally also, when you make it this off, when you go to the third step of the foot pedal, there won't be no ultrasonic energy. When you make it on, then you can get the ultrasound energy. Here you can increase or decrease the diathermy power. One of the main advantage in this Phaco Galaxy Pro Orbit model is the diathermy is enabled in all the modes, irrespective whether you are using the Phaco mode or IA mode or vitrectomy mode or diathermy. In all the modes you can enable the diathermy. Here you can have the US2 or US3 settings. Once you made all the settings, you can make the save button so that all the programs can be saved. By pressing the button yes, these programs are saved permanently. You can have the program for US2 or US3 or IA1, IA2, IA3 or CAPAC. Here, this is the irrigation bottle height adjustment. Whenever you want the continuous irrigation button to be on, just press this button here. Now, without pressing the pedal, the irrigation is always on. If you don't want the feature, you can switch it off. And then this is the reflex indicator. Whenever you are using the reflex, then it is highlighted here. Now, this is the US mode selector, CAPAC mode selector, diathermy selector and vitrectomy selector. Coming back to the foot pedal, you do have the two modes in the foot switch. One, standard foot pedal. Another one is dual foot pedal. Dual represents the machine can work as a dual linear foot pedal. When you put it on the standard, here it is a single dimension. It will work as a standard pedal. Now coming back to the diagrams. This one, when you are pressing it, it will go to the main screen. This one is the tools menu. Whenever you are pressing this button, then you can either go to the factory reset. Suppose you made any wrong programs and you don't know how to reset the programs, better you can select the factory reset, where the default setting of the factory will be resetted automatically. And then after the surgery, whenever you want to perform the cleaning, always press this clean. So this clean will indicate you the instructions. Please follow the instructions for the cleaning procedure. Another important advantage, the main feature of this Galaxy Pro Orbit is the foot switch configuration. This machine comes along with the programmable foot pedal. Whenever you are selecting this configuration, there are 4 switches on the foot pedal. The top right corner, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see that these foot switches are not named anything. So these 4 switches can be programmed as per the surgeon's request. Either program increment can be here, program decrement can be here, or program decrement can be here, program increment can be here, or continuous irrigation here. Like whatever, how the surgeon wants to program his foot pedal, he can program it. These are the foot switch button settings. Here you can select whether the button represents mode increment or mode decrement or continuous irrigation or reflex on or diathermy, US on off or vitrectomy on off. For example, if I select mode decrement, now onwards the number 1 switch will be the mode decrement. Similarly, here you can use it as a mode increment. Now here you can program it continuous irrigation on, and then here you can program it US on off. And when you make it as a save, then the saves we made it as a permanent in the machine. Similarly, you can adjust the angulation between irrigation, aspiration and ultrasound energy by selecting this option, foot switch angle settings. When you select this, you can see that you can set your phaco foot pedal angulation either for the phaco mode or for the vitrectomy mode. When you press the reset, it will be resetted to the factory reset. Now you can decrease the angle for the aspiration. Automatically the power angle is adjusted. Once you made the change, make sure that this option is enabled. If it is not enabled, then there is no angle selection happen in the foot switch. So always make sure that this is enabled and save. This is one of the important feature present in the Galaxy Pro Orbit Phaco emulsifier. Similarly, you can program it for the vitrectomy also. Always remember that whenever you made the save, it is stored permanently. Also, here we can see the vitrectomy PSI. So this machine is capable of performing the anterior vitrectomy. The cutting rate can be varied from 60 to 3000 cuts. Any pneumatically driven vitrectomy cutter can be worked with this machine. So here, according to the cutter PSI, you can adjust the PSI settings. If the cutter works on 25 psi, please make the sure setting as 25 psi and save. If the cutter works on 35 psi, then you can adjust the psi settings. Always make sure that the settings have been saved. As I told you just a while before, in this Galaxy Pro Turbo Orbit, the vitrectomy cutting rate can be varied from 60 to 3000 cutting. Galaxy Pro Orbit is coming along with the ergonomic stand, which does have the inbuilt compressor. Make a clear note. Whenever you are using the inbuilt compressor, the vitrectomy cutting can be used up to 900 cuts only. If you want to use higher cutting rate, say 1500, 2000 cuts, you need to use the external air supply like an air compressor or a gas tank. This is a must. And here you have the vacuum for the vitrectomy, flow rate and cutting rate. Another advanced feature in this Galaxy Pro Orbit is, even though you are pressing the foot pedal, you are operating the foot pedal, you can change the parameters. This is the added feature with the Galaxy Pro Orbit. And whatever the time used for the ultrasound energy is displayed here. When you press the reset, the time is already resetted. We are going to see the tubing connection of the Galaxy Pro Orbit. As I told you before, so this is the 6 crystal world's lightest handpiece. Just weighs 36 grams. Titanium handpiece. Now here you can see the red dot mark. So please connect the red dot to the red dot mark. Never try to put and push it inside. So always make sure you are matching the red dot to red dot. And once you push it in gently, you can hear the click sound. Similarly, while removing, just pull the strap here, automatically come. Never try to pull the unit by pulling the wire. This will damage the handpiece. And this is the phaco tip. Whenever you are connecting the phaco tip, please make sure that you hold it in a straight way and just keep the tip here and rotate it in the clockwise direction. First, tighten the tip with your hand, and then this is the wrench spanner to tighten the phaco tip. Insert the wrench spanner like this and always make it straight and tighten the tip. Do not tighten the tip like this. Why? The reason is, in case if it slips, then it will damage your phaco tip or damage the phaco handpiece. And then this is the phaco sleeve. Just insert it here and rotate it in the clockwise direction. And please ensure that there is 2 mm of distance between the phaco tip and the sleeve. And this is the test chamber. So now one part of the connection is over, and this is the phaco tubing set. This is made up of higher grade medical silicone tubing, which can be autoclaved and reused. It doesn't have any cassette system. All are reusable. Here you can see the diagram. By following the diagram, you can easily connect the tubings. This is the four-way junction. Insert the four-way junction here and make sure that it has fixed very well. This is the peristaltic pump tube and this is the peristaltic pump with the lock. Just open up the lock and here there is another lock here. Just open this lock, insert the tubing and lock the machine and rotate the tubing. Remove this lock and insert the tubing here. Now this is the peristaltic pump lock and this is the final lock. And then this is the drainage bed connection and it has given to the drainage. Now you can see it here. This is the blue tube and here you can see it goes to the reflex valve. Please make sure that the reflex tube is stretched and insert perfectly inside the valve. Here you can see a shaft. So the tubing is perfectly inserted in between the shaft. If you put the tubing like this, then the fluidic test will be failed. The machine won't work properly. So make sure it is in between the shaft and the valve. This is the correct tubing connection. Similarly, the white tube is irrigation and it is also inserted in the irrigation valve properly. The other end of the tube is connected with the IV set. Now this completes the Galaxy Pro Orbit tubing connection. Please note that here the tubing is connected, the irrigation tubing is connected after this junction. By mistake, if you connect like this, then the reflex won't work. So always whenever you are connecting the irrigation tubing, make sure you are connecting after the junction. This is the correct tubing connection. This is the irrigation connection and this is the aspiration tube connection. Once you have done this connection, just press the priming. Once you have connected all the tubings, select the doctor name for which this program you need to use. Select it, press priming. The machine will ask, do you want to prime the tubing? To press prime key, otherwise press tune key. So whenever you are using the machine for the first time of the surgery of the day, always do the prime and then press process key. Now you see the priming is happening automatically. The priming is followed by the vacuum test and followed by automatic tuning. Once the tuning is done, it will go into the main program. With this, the priming is completed and the machine is ready for the use. Now we can see all the three steps in the machine: irrigation, aspiration and ultrasound energy. Now we are going to elaborate another important feature present in the Galaxy Pro Orbit, the rise time. Without changing the parameters of the machine, the performance of the machine can be enhanced with the help of rise time. For example, now in this mode, the vacuum is 600, the flow rate is 25 and ultrasound energy is 100. When we change it to the rise time 1, here we can see when you go to the aspiration, now the flow rate is automatically added 20% until 40% of the vacuum is reached. That is, our preset flow rate is 25, but until the 40% of 600 vacuum, the flow rate will be 30. Then the next 30% it will become 25 cc, and for the last 30% of the vacuum it will be 10% to the preset flow rate. This is rise time 1. This will actually enhance the machine to perform much better way, that is much faster way compared to no rise time without changing any parameters. If you require more faster, then we can go to the rise time 2. Here, even though we use the flow rate at 25, until the 50% of the vacuum, preset vacuum, the flow will be 50 cc. Once it attained the of 50%, the remaining vacuum is attained with the help of 25 cc. So here the rise time of the machine will be much faster. If you still want more faster rise time method, then you can go to the rise time 3. Same like rise time 2, here for the first 50% of the vacuum, the flow will be 60 cc per minute, the fastest. For the remaining 50% of the vacuum, it is preset level of the flow rate. Now we are going to demonstrate the connection of vitrectomy cutter. This is the vitrectomy cutter, and these are the two ends of the vitrectomy cutter. The cutter end is connected here. You can just expand it, unlock it. And this is the aspiration end of the cutter. Remove the aspiration line from the ultrasonic handpiece and connect with the vitrectomy cutter. This completes the vitrectomy tubing connection. Galaxy Pro Orbit does have the feature of standard foot pedal as well as dual linear foot pedal option. Whenever you select the standard foot pedal, only ultrasound energy can be varied linearly. When you select dual linear option, you can have vacuum also can be varied linearly. The vacuum is varied in the X direction of the foot pedal and ultrasonic energy is varied in the Y direction. So here we can vary the vacuum as well as the ultrasound both linearly. The surgeon will have the full control of the phaco machine. You have done up with the surgeries. For cleaning the machine, just select the tools option and press the clean button. Please follow the instruction given by the machine. Disconnect the irrigation tube from the IV set end and dip it in a bowl. Now you just lock the IV set here. Remove this irrigation tube and take distilled water. It is always advisable to clean the machine with the distilled water because during the surgery all the tubings will be filled up with the BSS solution, that is the salt solution. So once the surgery is over, it is always prescribed to clean up with the distilled water so that it can remove the salt, which enhances the life of the phaco tubing set. Once you are done with that, continue with the clean. Then remove the aspiration tube and then the irrigation tube and connect it together and press the clean button. Now the cleaning procedure will be done continuously and it will stop automatically. Now remove the irrigation tube from the distilled water and continue. Now the cleaning is completed and you can exit the program.